Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to put page number in Google Docs starting from a specific page. So this is my first page, and let's say that I want my page numbers to start here at page 2. So I'm going to click on the very top of page 2, and then over here at the top, I'm going to click on Insert, then I'm going to click on Break, then I'm going to click on Section Break, Next Page, and it will create a extra page, but that's okay because you can just go ahead and click on the backspace on your keyboard to remove that extra page. Now you're going to click on the second page again, and then just click on Insert again, click on Page Elements, click on Page Numbers, then you just want to go ahead and choose the format of your page numbers like so. And then over here, just click on Link to Previous to unselect it, and then click on Options, click on Page Numbers, then you want to select Start at 1, then click on Apply. And as you can see, it's now starting from 1. Then over here at the first page, you just want to go ahead and remove this page number like so, and there you go. As you can see, my page numbering starts at page number 2 and the page number is not available in page 1. So that's it. Thanks for watching.